Hey guys, I'm Justin with Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. Let's make a brisket grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna kick this up a notch. I think we need a fried egg and some other goodies to go on this thing to make it elite. Welcome to the channel. If you've never been here before, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. Let's get started. Want some nice thick bread, and you can roll with Texas toast if you'd like. Need some brisket, Colby and Monterey Jack, some white American cheese, and some provolone, jalapeno and onion, some butter, some barbecue sauce of your choice. We're rolling with Blues Hog today. 1 egg, and some seasoning. We're going to use our very own GPS. I do recommend a thick cut bread. This is just white bread. It's a thick cut. Let's get our butter. Let's start off with the Colby and Monterey Jack. Right there. Maybe tear off a little more just for even coverage. About like that. There we go. And then some white American. About like that. And some provolone. We'll do 2 slices. There we go. This is a brisket flat I had from last fall. It's been vacuum sealed and frozen. Don't worry, you germaphobes. That's a big old honking slice right there. There's another good slice right there. And I have to overlap that guy. There we go. More provolone. More white American cheese. More Colby Jack. We'll call that good. Alrighty. I'll do one of those. Let's go to the Blaze Griddle. I wonder if I made this thing a little too big. Let's go ahead and get our jalapenos and onion on the griddle. Let's go ahead and butter that top side of the grilled cheese. So when it's time to flip, it gets a nice crust. This might be harder to do than I expected. Let's check on these jalapenos and onions. Make sure they're getting nice and caramelized. I think we're ready to flip. Oh yeah, looking good. Squish that down a little bit. Now to help this melt a little bit better, I'm going to use a dome. Get some steam action going. There we go. Uh-oh, man overboard. And we'll hit it with a little GPS. Let's make sure those onions and jalapenos are doing their thing. Just kind of move them around, don't let them burn. This side's not very hot. I didn't even turn on the burner on this side, so it'll get residual heat, enough to keep everything warm. So we'll put that over there. That egg might struggle a little bit. We'll wait. Let's see how we're looking. Oh, smells amazing. That cheese is melting. Oh, buddy. Let's see what we're looking like. Might be a little toasty on that side. Yep, we're done. Let's take this off and let it rest. Kind of going for an over easy. I'm not an egg expert, but I think that's about right. Oh no, lost some yolk. All right, good enough. Drizzle a little barbecue sauce. There we go. Looking good. Those onions and jalapenos, that brisket, all that melted cheese on that thick white bread. I can't wait to bust open that yolk. Here we go. Oh man, look at that. Oh, yes. Let's take a bite. You may be asking why the egg and the fixings on top. Because it's more fun. Here we go. It's mess. I know. Definitely need a towel. The smokiness and the cheese and that little drizzle of barbecue sauce. You got that fried egg with the yolk. Go ahead and try this. Follow the recipe exactly like I did, and you're going to love it. I'm Justin with Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. We'll see you next time.